fit in the hoodie. But listen up. Right now, it is Capricorn season. Your guy Jay Knows Credit is also a Capricorn. I am doing a special right now just for this season. Anybody's file, no matter how many items you got on your file, as far as derogatory credit items. We're going to remove all those derogatory credit items. This is just going to exclude inquiries, but everything else on your account that's negative, we're going to get that off. As far as accounts and things like that go, we're going to clean that up for a flat $600. Okay. Then we're going to have another week of Capricorn season, or a couple days. So you got to pay attention to the channel, pay attention to Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that. I'll be putting things out there on YouTube just so you can all know, like, hey, these are going to be the exact dates. But right now, just letting you know, you want to hop on it right now, is going to be $600 per person. This is going to be for a clean removal of all things negative of your credit. This is our credit expungement work that we're going to do. Okay, this is credit expungement. So if you know about that service already, you understand what it is. If you don't, please give us a call. And right now, we do have a different number to call us. It is just temporary. We're still going to use it probably just full time just to keep it. But the old number is going to be working back. We just had some problems with the carrier and things like that. Just some other red tape stuff. Wasn't able to get text messages. It was just a very, very big mess. So right now you can call us or text us right now at 919-588-9329. You can call or text to get information. If you want to just go ahead and just start off with the service, you can do that. Okay, so right now it's going to be only $600. That might right now only be up until New Year's Day, somewhere around there. When that cutoff time comes, just don't quote me on that. It's just what it is right now. But like I said, it's going to keep changing throughout Capricorn season. This is going to be the launch into the new year. Okay, so you all know regular pricing. If you don't know, if you're new here, regular pricing sometimes can range anywhere between $1,200 on up, and I've seen it go up depending on how many items is on the credit file, how much work it's going to take, because I don't do the traditional methods of removal. So it's a lot more work, and it's a lot more tedious. Okay, so if you all want to jump on this special, I definitely want to tell you, this is definitely best to jump on it now, because the amount of removals we're having right now, with the strategies that I'm putting in place that are even better than the previous ones, are just amazing. So jump on it right now if you're up to it. If you understand that going into the new year in 2025, that your credit should be probably in that top 5 things that you want to have in place, so that way you can just really crush it in the new year. Okay, so if you're watching this right now and it's already into 2025 and we're way into Capricorn season, hey, you already know how we're going to start the year off. Just in Capricorn season, we're just going to start off being goats. We're going to start off and kick it off like how we do every year. Okay, we got the Christmas, we got New Year's Eve, we got New Year's Day. We kick it off. We really started off for the new year. All right, so we're going to really push it in and make it to where everybody is going to like want to be a Capricorn, man. It's like, once you understand like how it is to be a goat, we're going to lead the way, right? And, goats a little bit flashy and things like that, saying we like to have, nice things and all that. You see, Versace stuff, right? So it's just like real talk. Y'all know how I am. I'm going to keep it 100, all right? So we're going to start the year off right. So everybody's like, dang, man, I want to do this and do that and do this, do that, kind of like a Capricorn does, how we kind of start the year, all right? Don't be hating. It's just a little Capricorn flex, all right? So, but no, seriously, starting off the new year, you want to have some funds coming in. Just be real. You want to have money. A lot of folks is waiting on like the refund checks and things like that in order to get the ball rolling. Everything's about having money the first beginning of the year, right? Everything about the end of the year is just about celebrating, having a good time with our families, bringing in the new year right, having a great New Year's Eve, things like that, right? But once that new year starts, man, it's just all about just, planning, prioritizing, putting things in place. And I'm telling you right now, in Capricorn season, you know, we are very big on organization, getting things in place, getting things ready, and we're going to be getting things ready. All right. So if you want to get your credit set up, if you want to get your credit started in the right direction, if you want to get your credit, you know, done in a very, very short amount of time, okay, you definitely want to jump on this now. I'm going to make an official video about some other things that are going on that I'm going to be doing for people's profiles with this. But first, if you understand timing, you want to get in while it's low priced, because once this catches, you know, crazy fire with some people who are going to jump on it right now, y'all are going to understand, you know, why you're going to be like, man, I should have just got my cousin on it. I should have told my friends about it. I should have really just went ahead and got my whole family with it, because the price is going to be so low for the value and for how fast this thing is going to happen for you that you're going to wish you did. Okay, so hopefully y'all jump on it. If you want more information about it, go to the description. I'm going to have information there. It's going to be the phone number there. You'll be able to call or text if you have any questions. You'll be able to, you know, ask questions about other services and things like that as well. You can ask questions like, hey, Jay, where you been at? Okay, you know, you can ask all those kind of questions as well. I will be here to answer those questions. And you already know there's not a lot of people in this credit game that can really do what they say they can do. You know, it's a lot of people that do credit, and it's not that they're shade on anybody, but there's a lot of people who say that they can do this and do that. And we know for a fact that for the majority, that there's only a minute amount of people that are on the internet, that are on YouTube, that are actually doing a great job with communication, a great job with letting people know, you know, the facts about what they're doing with the credit files and all that kind of stuff. And I know for a fact that I am one of them. This is not to try to stunt. This is just letting you know what the real information is. Okay. So salute to all y'all who know, and I'll see y'all at the top.